Imagine opening your door only to find a stranger lingering outside your home, or missing important deliveries because you weren't there to receive them. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of smart doorbell cameras. We'll compare 5 of the top-rated models of 2026 so you can find the one that offers the best security features, video quality, and user-friendliness. Stick around as we reveal which product stands out as our top pick, making it a must-have for peace of mind at your front door. Remember, links in the description below to check current prices. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful reviews. XTU 2K Wireless Doorbell Camera. The XTU 2K Wireless Doorbell Camera stands out with its impressive 2K HD resolution, ensuring that every detail is captured clearly, whether it's day or night. Ideal for busy homeowners or those who prioritize clarity and surveillance, this device is equipped with two-way audio, allowing you to communicate with visitors from anywhere via your smartphone. The motion detection feature sends alerts straight to your phone, so you're always aware of activity at your doorstep. However, some users have noted that setup can be a bit more complex compared to other models, which may be a slight drawback for those who prefer an easy installation process. 1080p Smart Wi-Fi Doorbell Camera. The 1080p Smart Wi-Fi Doorbell Camera offers a reliable solution for anyone looking to enhance their home security without breaking the bank. With 1080p video resolution, it provides clear imagery along with night vision capabilities, ensuring that you won't miss a thing after dark. It's perfect for families who frequently receive guests or deliveries, as its app allows for quick communication and monitoring from anywhere. While the camera's features are impressive for its price, some users have found the app connectivity to be inconsistent at times, which could be a consideration for those relying on immediate alerts and access. Aqara Smart Doorbell Camera G410. The Aqara Smart Doorbell Camera G410 is a fantastic choice for tech-savvy users looking for a seamless smart home integration. This camera provides full HD video along with a customizable interface that can connect to other smart devices around your home, making it perfect for those who want a unified smart home experience. Its AI-powered facial recognition feature ensures that you can differentiate between family, friends, and potential intruders. However, while the integration with other Aqara products is seamless, it may not be as effective for those solely using devices from other brands, which can limit its appeal to a broader audience. Guggre Wireless Doorbell Camera M52. The Guggre Wireless Doorbell Camera M52 shines with its battery-powered convenience and easy installation, making it an excellent option for renters or those not wanting to deal with wiring. With a stunning wide-angle lens and 1080p resolution, this camera captures a broader view than many competitors, perfect for monitoring multiple entry points. The two-way audio feature is a standout for family members who want to speak with delivery personnel without opening the door. While it excels in usability, the battery life may not be as long-lasting as some users would hope, requiring more frequent recharges than expected. Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340. Rounding out our list at the top is the Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340, a game-changer in home security that combines ease of use with top-tier features. This doorbell camera offers a 2K resolution and advanced AI technology that minimizes false alerts, making it an ideal choice for families who want reliable and efficient monitoring. Its local storage option means you won't have to subscribe to a cloud service for video storage, saving you money while still ensuring safety. It also integrates seamlessly with various smart home systems, making it highly versatile. The only minor drawback is its price point, which might be higher than some budget options, but many find the investment worthwhile. for the peace of mind it delivers. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the top smart doorbell cameras in 2026. Each of these options has unique features that cater to different needs, whether you're looking for affordability, advanced tech, or ease of installation. Make sure to check the links in the description to find the right one for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews that help you make informed purchases.